Hi guys, I'm Jubanel. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to fix a bug in Reaper. It's when you play MIDI notes, but they are not heard through the headset or speakers of a connected external keyboard, such as the Yamaha CP88. First of all, please make sure that you can see the soundbar moving in your MIDI track. Then press Ctrl P to go to Preferences, MIDI Devices. Click Reset All MIDI Devices. Right-click any output tracks that may correspond to your external keyboard and tick Enable Output to this device. Click OK. Next, go to the routing matrix and make sure your MIDI track is routed to the right output item that you have enabled in the previous step. That's all for today. If this video helped you, please click like and leave a comment. Goodbye.